Hey guys, in this video we are going to be playing Space Force Battleground with sound. I'm way better at this game than it says. Let's play. Free. I was recording another one like this before. Before I was recording this, I was recording another one like this. But it failed, so yeah. Let's see, 22, 40. So yeah, I'm pretty good at this game. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the AT-AT or whatever it's called. The all-terrain, armored transports. Ooh, 200! I could buy the Jedi, but this is my favorite guy. Oh, I figured out how to run fast. Even though I've been playing this game for years, I didn't know how to run fast. But now I do. I'm gonna explore the bases. No, that's my base. Or is it? Is this Red's base? No, this is Blue's base. No! No! Let's buy the Jedi now. health. I might do this one. Then I might do that one. This one again, and then that one. And then I'll save up for those two. This is a battle arena right there. My health is so low. Like Han Solo. No! Alright, we have $100. I'm gonna go with this one. We should get used to using our grenades. Again? Let's go! My team won! I'm first place! Let's go! And everyone, help out on this video by giving a like, subscribing, turn those notifications to all, and check out the links that I put in the comments. I put a link to my 2 websites, and there's also some games you could play related to this YouTube channel. So, have fun. I'm gonna play one more round, and let's see what I get. Achievements. Wait, let's see. No, please no ad. Please no ad. I don't wanna. Please. I don't wanna ad. Yes, I am playing it on Crazy Games. Guys, I'm done. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I'll put an end screen on in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.